On 7th October 2025, Class 1 students of BPSG lit up the stage during show story. During Fashion Show Stories, a heartwarming event where every costume carried a tale, children walked in theme pairs and trios, enhancing mini scenes with confidence and joy. A Punjabi girl in a vibrant salwar suit danced to a harvest tune while her partner, dressed as a sugarcane farmer, waved proudly. A Gujarati boy twirled in his kendu beside a dandiya queen celebrating Navratri. A Bengali child in a red bordered sari held the clay Durga idol, whispering strength, and a Rajasthani duo, one as a desert camel, the other as a folk princess, shared a playful moment under a paper sun. Each child spoke a line, posed with pride, and brought their story to life, making the ramp a living map of India's spirit and imagination. BPSG, a step ahead.